So welcome back everyone. In this video we'll be writing a C program to check whether a given number is positive, negative or zero. And I will be writing this program only with if statement. That is for checking purpose I will be using only if statement, not else statement or nested if, only if statement. So let's do it. So program to check whether number is positive, negative or zero, and we will take the input from the user. Now in order to accept that input we will have to use the scanner function of stdio.h library. So let's include that library first with the help of preprocessor, that is hashtag include. So hashtag include stdio.h. So hashtag include is the preprocessor out here and stdio.h is the standard input output library. Now we will define the main function because the execution of the C program starts from the main function onwards, and since our main function is not going to return any value, so we will be defining it as void main. And now we will define a variable in order to store the number which the user is going to give us. We will store that number in a variable. So let's define variable1, and we will give the message to the user with the help of printf function of stdio.h library. So enter the number to check. All right, and we will use a special character, that is /n out here. What this will do for us is that after printing this line the cursor will move to the next line. All right, let me do the commenting of it. /n is for new line. Okay, now once the user is going to give us the number, we'll have to accept it with the help of scanner function. So let's use the scanner function and use the format specify %d and give the variable name where you want to store this number which the user has given us. Now we will use the if statement to check whether the number is positive, negative or zero. So let's start. So before that, okay, now start. If the variable 1 is equal to 0, if this condition gets true, that this expression, if this expression comes out to be true, then printf number is, use the %d, number is, okay, let me do this, is 0. Okay, and we will replace this %d with the variable. Okay, so let's do this, and once again we will use the if statement to check whether the number is greater than 0. If it is greater than 0, then it will be positive. So printf %d is positive, and use the /n. This will change the line after printing the statement. Let me use the /n out here also, and let's check for negativity. If the number is negative, let's check, give the condition. If var1 is less than 0, printf %d, that is the number is negative. All right, and we will replace this %d with the variable 1 and replace the %d with the var1. So basically the value of this variable 1 will replace this %d. All right, now in order to watch the output of this program we will have to compile this, but before compiling we will have to save this. So let's save, and make sure to save this file as .c extension because we all are writing C program, and give the name number check and save. Now compile and run. So enter the number to check. So we'll be giving first of all 0. So the 0 is 0. This is what we were supposed to get. So percentage d out here got replaced by the value of var1, and which was 0. So 0 is 0. Okay, just check for any positive number, give 12. So 12 is positive, so this is what we were supposed to give. Again, that is a percentage d out here got replaced by 12, that is the value of var1, and 12 is positive. Let's check for negative, give minus 34. So minus 34 is a negative. Okay, and we got this because of this statement, printf statement out here. Percentage d got replaced by minus 34 and is negative. This is the statement. So that's all for this video. If you enjoyed, make sure to like, and if you have any type of doubt, comment down below and subscribe to my channel for this type of content. Thank you once again for watching this video.